We've all heard the stories. The machine that sat for 2 years, fired up on the first pull. The quad with 10,000 miles that's never needed more than oil and gas. In a world of complex electronics and planned obsolescence, true mechanical resilience feels like a superpower. Forget the hype and the horsepower wars. This list isn't about being the fastest or the flashiest. It's about something far more valuable. Legendary, almost boring dependability. These are the 10 ATVs engineered not just to perform, but to endure. The ones that just don't break. 1. Polaris Sportsman 570. If there was a textbook definition of a modern, do-it-all workhorse, the Polaris Sportsman 570 would be it. Its reputation for not breaking is built on a foundation of perfected simplicity. The ProStar 570 engine is a masterpiece of smooth, tractable torque. It's not overstressed, it's not chasing peak horsepower, it's built to deliver reliable power day in and day out whether you're hauling, towing, or exploring. But the real secret is the iconic Polaris on-demand true all-wheel drive system. It's a mechanical, positive engagement that's famously tough. You click the button, you get traction. There are no fragile servo motors or complex electronics to fail in the mud or water. Combine this with the comfortable independent rear suspension and a chassis that's been refined over generations, and you have a platform where all the common failure points have been systematically engineered out. It's the Swiss Army knife of the ATV world, and the hinge never gets loose. 2. Honda TRX 450R. In the high-strung, explosive world of 450cc sport quads, where engines are tuned to the razor's edge, the Honda TRX 450R stands apart for one reason: bulletproof over-engineering. While competitors pushed for every last ounce of power, often at the expense of longevity, Honda built a racer you could actually rely on. The liquid-cooled 4-valve engine is legendary for holding its valve adjustments, maintaining compression, and surviving the kind of sustained high RPM abuse that would grenade lesser motors. Its frame is famously rigid and crack-resistant. The components, from the brakes to the bearings, are simply overbuilt for the class. Owners don't talk about if it will run, they talk about how many race seasons it's gone without a rebuild. In a category synonymous with high maintenance, the TRX 450R redefined what durable performance means. It's a thoroughbred that doesn't have a glass jaw. 3. Honda 4Trax Rancher. The Rancher is the Corolla of the ATV world. It is the embodiment of a simple, brilliant idea executed to perfection and then left virtually unchanged for decades because it simply cannot be improved upon. Its resistance to braking is the stuff of folklore. At its heart is an air-cooled or liquid-cooled engine that is famously indifferent to neglect. It starts in the cold, it runs hot, it goes thousands of hours between major services. The available electric shift program is a triumph of durable innovation. It offers push-button precision without the fragile hydraulic lines or complexity of a full automatic. The mechanical 4WD system is a lever-operated exercise in positive engagement. There's nothing to confuse and very little to fail. You will see ranchers from the early 2000s, battered and faded, still doing daily chores without complaint. They don't break because they were designed from the ground up to be the last machine you'll ever need to buy. 4. Honda 4Trax Foreman 4x4. If the Rancher is the Corolla, the Foreman is the heavy-duty pickup truck. It is brute force reliability personified. Honda didn't just build this machine to last, they built it to be the anchor for a ranch, a farm, or a hunting camp for a generation. The Foreman's philosophy is overbuilt. Its steel frame is famously thick, its shaft drive is utterly robust and eliminates chain maintenance and failure. The legendary Honda dual-mode 4WD system is a mechanical marvel, a simple lever that physically locks the front differential. No electronics, no vacuum lines, no solenoids, just unbreakable, guaranteed traction. The engine is tuned for torque, not top-end speed, which means it runs under less stress. A Foreman doesn't have a service life, it has a stewardship. You don't own it, you take care of it for the next owner because it will outlast you. 5. Yamaha Grizzly 700. The Yamaha Grizzly 700 represents the pinnacle of intelligent, durable design. It doesn't avoid braking by being simple, it avoids braking by being smarter and better built than everything else. Its crown jewel is the Ultramatic transmission, widely considered the most durable and sophisticated CVT system ever put in an ATV. The secret is its Sprag clutch, which provides true engine braking. This eliminates the brutal shock loads on the drive belt and components that plague other systems, especially during deceleration and downhill riding. The transmission runs cooler and lasts exponentially longer. Paired with an unburstable, fuel-injected engine and Yamaha's superb on-command 4WD system, the Grizzly is a symphony of reliable, interrelated systems. Everything is built to a higher tolerance. It's the ATV that proves you can have refinement, power, and luxury features without sacrificing an ounce of Yamaha legendary toughness. It simply has no weak link to break. 6. Yamaha Kodiak 450. The Yamaha Kodiak 450 is a masterclass in the principle that less is more when it comes to reliability. It takes the brilliant, battle-proven Ultramatic transmission from its bigger brother and puts it in a lighter, more agile package. The result is perhaps the most stress-free, durable mid-size utility quad ever made. Because it's not chasing big power numbers, its engine lives an easy life, loafing along and generating plenty of torque for its size. The Ultramatic transmission, again, is the hero, handling power delivery without the brutal shock loads on a traditional clutch or an inferior CVT system. The 4WD system is simple and Yamaha tough. There's a reason these are the go-to machines for seasonal cabins and rental fleets. They are left outside, used by different people every week, and asked to perform with minimal maintenance. And they do. The Kodiak 450 is the definition of set-it-and-forget-it reliability. 7. Kawasaki Brute Force 450 4x4. The Kawasaki Brute Force 450 earns its name and its spot on this list through sheer, uncompromising old-school toughness. In an era of increasing complexity, the Brute Force marches to the beat of a simpler, more durable drum. Its air-cooled SOHC V-twin engine is a throwback to a time when engines were built with extra metal and wide tolerances meant to last. This engine doesn't have liquid cooling to leak, complex valve trains to adjust, or a high-strung power band. It makes gobs of low-end torque and is famously hard to kill. The drivetrain is a study in positive engagement, a solid thunk into 4WD, a proven CVT, and a solid rear axle. There are no frills, no electronic nannies, and consequently, very few things that can go wrong. It's a tractor in ATV clothing. It might feel agricultural compared to modern quads, but that's because it's built to work forever, not to win a spec sheet comparison.